We sure will. Let's go find the missing ducks and keep all of them together.
Here, duckies! Where are you?
Okay, Donald. Will you help us listen for the ducks' quacks? Great!
Maybe the ducks can't hear Donald. Oh, I know. Maybe a Mouseketeer will help make Donald's voice louder so the ducks can hear him.
Super idea. Everybody say, oh, which Mouseketeer can help make Donald's voice louder while he calls for the ducks?
Maybe that bullhorn will help.
Sure. A bullhorn makes voices louder.
We got ears. Say, cheese.